All right, so today we're gonna make some cheesy chicken balls.
Yeah.
All right,
What are you gonna season that up with today, babe?
So we're gonna season it with some basil, some oregano. I'm looking at the title and it says oregano. I'm like, that doesn't make sense. Some of our favorite blend. It's called the blend. And some smoked paprika.
The blend is a blend of salt, pepper, and garlic, so it's very convenient.
Very, very convenient. We'll start with some basil. Is there how much? Is there? Okay.
Just whatever amount you like. We're going to do both sides.
So we're going to do some basil. We're going to do some organic oregano. Some people don't like oregano, but I do.
Well, he's an Italian.
I'm an Italian.
Smoked paprika.
Smoked paprika.
Go light on the smoked paprika. It can get a little. No, that's good. That's good.
Okay.
So it
tells me light up. I already start.
Yeah, that's good because we're gonna do both sides, and it can be a little.
Blend. All right. So now we're gonna turn it. So I'm gonna let my wife turn it because I got it seasoned the rest of it.
Go ahead and put some olive oil on that side.
Do you like push it around? Yeah. I'll put the olive oil on. You get it.
Can I explain to the audience why you're cooking?
Sure, you want me to do that?
I've been sick for 4 days.
So she's over the sickness, but she's just really weak. So I get to do the cooking today somewhat.
Yep.
I will get her back in here, trust me. All right, so again, we're gonna season this. So, you can get a little close-up of this right here. And so that's what it looks like. It's all seasoned and ready to go. So now we're going to put some tinfoil on it. Over here. Get a good seal. I don't know if you can seal or not, but we're going to go.
That looks like a good seal.
And there we go.
We got our oven preheating to 375. That chicken breast is fairly large. It'll probably take 20-30 minutes. It's so little frozen in the middle.
So 20-30 minutes, and we'll continue.
We just want to make sure we bring the internal temp up to 165 on chicken always.
Okay, we have our trusted thermometer.
Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go sit down, babe.
All right. All right.
Alright, I'm checking to see if it's up to temp. Up. Yep.
162, 163. All right.
We'll cover that and let it cool. It'll continue to rise in temp. So that's good. The thickest part of it was 163. So
Okay. What did it need to be?
165.
All right.
We're good.
We're good. All right.
It'll still be juicy on the inside.
Still juicy on the inside, but nice and good. All right. All right, for the cheesy chicken balls, we are going to finely cut up this chicken breast, and we're going to use it for the chicken balls. Just juice off of that, and we're just gonna cut this up so we can shred it and have it for our cheesy chicken balls, right? Don't be there. You can see. All right, we now have our chicken shredded up. All right, we're gonna place our chicken into a bowl here. Like that. Alright, so now we're going to shred some cheddar. I don't know which side you want to be on. Yeah.
Add 1 egg to that.
You want me to mix that?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to mix this up. Also, it looks like cottage cheese. Alright.
So that was a 6-ounce package of cream cheese plus a little extra we had left over from yesterday. I went ahead and seasoned it with the blend, which is the salt, pepper, and garlic, low smoked paprika, 1 egg to be used as a binder. We're going to go ahead and add in that cheddar cheese, babe.
So we're going to add in the cheddar cheese?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I don't think it'll hurt anything if you use the mixer.
Alright.
I'd say that's probably, I don't know what, 4 ounces of shredded cheddar, sharp cheddar.
Okay.
We'll go ahead and use my new,
Alright.
yeah, from the Eclectic Domestic, another farmer's market vendor here in Las Vegas. Handmade. I love it.
How much does it?
That's good. Yep. Right, now, unplug that, I'll take it away. And then you're just going to fold in that. You might want to transfer the cream cheese to the chicken because it's a bigger bowl, and you're just going to fold it together.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. It's expensive.
Alright, so wow, this is just gonna be, again, we're not gonna let my cardiologist know what we're doing here. Because this probably not the best way.
Yeah, we don't eat like this every day though. Do we? I'm going to throw some plastic wrap over that so that it can chill and come together, and then we'll form it into like a small meatball size. And then we will bread it and fry it.
Ooh.
Because you know.
Again.
It looks pretty well incorporated there.
It does. I think we're good. I had a chunk that was not incorporated. There we go.
If you want to put it back in the smaller bowl, just to take up less space in the refrigerator. Right now, it's getting a little full.
This is not our traditional
Christmas
dinner.
We decided since it was just the two of us this year, we would try some different recipes and different dishes.
Yeah.
Not stick with the traditional mozzarella family sides. We have the tri-tip in the slow cooker in the roaster oven. It's on about 225. Low and slow.
Low and slow. All right.
Clean up your station.
Yep. All right. That looked like rice from right there.
Panko.
Panko. All right.
And season our panko a little bit.
We get the handle out of the way.
Yeah.
So we can season it.
Don't season the handle.
All right.
Some people go ahead and season the flour too, but the chicken already has a lot of seasoning in it.
So should we tell everybody what we're doing though?
Oh, are we on?
We're on.
Yeah, so yesterday Phil put together the chicken cheese balls. And we'll probably stitch it to this video, I don't know. And then so today we're finishing those up, getting them fried up. And first we'll dredge them with some flour, eggs, and then some seasoned panko. You want them about that big.
Oh, so small.
Yeah, and everything in the chicken is already cooked. We're just finishing it off. So, all right. So let's go ahead and get our oil hot.
All right.
And this is the oil that I just used for the other Sloppy Joe wontons.
Yes. Which were very good, by
Yeah,
the
they were
way.
pretty good. I went ahead and made a sauce. And so you've seen it a million times. It's the ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, some salt, pepper, garlic, some smoked paprika, and then some dill relish in there, and seasoned to taste. You just mix that all together. It made a really great tangy sauce to go with those Sloppy Joe wontons. You know what I wish I had? An ice cream scooper.
I know. I was thinking the same thing. It would be good for.
About that much. That smells good.
It is.
It smells really well.
Put some oil down there.
All right.
What's that?
A little bit of jalapeno.
Ooh, yeah. I need to do it all over again.
Rinse and repeat. All right, babe. Taste test.
All right.
This is the chicken cheesy ball.
Cheesy chicken balls. Oh my god.
Did you hear that crunch?
Mm-hmm.
I heard that crunch. Can you see that? Can you see? No, hold still. I'll find you.
Look at that.
Come into focus.
Stop it. If you get too close, it won't go into focus.
I got it. All right. All right. What do you got going on?
Wow. Creamy. Like it almost like a cream sauce in it. Crunchy. Well, I mean, you could hear the crunch when I first bit into it. You got the chicken, the seasoning. These would be a hit at any party. So,
Right. So this
cheesy
is
chicken balls, man.
a do-over.
Do over? I'm just gonna do it again.